Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Google Drive. Google Drive is an app it's like a cloud. You can save your files, music, photos, or just files online. This way you can access them from any device. Okay, now I'm going to start show you what you can do here. So this is the main screen here. This is where all your files gonna be. Right now I do have some. If you are a new customer, you will have nothing here. Okay, now I'm gonna press on the menu on the left side here. You can see here all kinds of an options. I'll show you which one is what. So right now I'm on my drive. This is the main screen. The next one is gonna be shared with me. Now share with me is actually, this is the number 2 here. Shared with me is files that people are shared with you, give you the permission to see their files. You can do that too. You can you can share people with your files. I want to show you later how to do that. The next one gonna be Google Photos. Google Photos is actually a shortcut for Google Photos. If you have signed in for the service, it's free, and you can also see my video on how to use Google Photos. It's a very useful tool. The next one gonna be Recent. Recent is actually, I'm gonna press on that. So recent is actually the files that you have been seeing lately, which this is actually like a filter. It's gonna help you to look for a specific video. It's like history. You can call it history. Next one gonna be starred. Starred is actually files that you put star on them. It's like a bookmark. This is like important files. You can add a star to them. Sorry. This is another filter. Basically, I'm gonna show you later how to do that too. Next thing gonna be offline. Offline is actually, you can save your files on your device. This is how you will not need to use Wi-Fi or any internet connection to access those files. This is good if you are going somewhere and you will have no internet connection, or if you would like to save some data. Another thing you have is trash. Trash is actually all the files that you have been deleted. I'm not sure how long is it safe for, but I think it's pretty a lot. Now I'm gonna go back to my drive. I want to show you guys some more things. By the way, whenever I'm pressing on the menu, you can also slide from the left to the right, and the menu gonna pop up, and then you can just slide it left and the menu gonna go back. Now I'm gonna show you the option on each file. Okay, let's say a test. You can press on that, and this is a file I created. You can add it like a regular text. But what I want to show you guys is the options that you can have on every file. So we shall go press the menu over here. First line is, as you can see, you can actually also move it, okay, which is pretty cool. Oops, so I'll press it again. So the first line is a test. This is the name of your file. Next thing is add people. This is what I showed you before. I'll just press on that. Add people is actually sharing people. If you would like to share people to see, to give a friend you want a friend to take a look, you can do that. I'm just gonna, on the first line, you're just gonna insert the email address. On the right here, what I pressed, you can play around with the permission that that person gonna have. The default is can edit, which means that the person will be able to edit your file. Can comment is give the people the ability to comment on your file but no edit. Next thing is can view. Can view will be only able to view your files, no comments, no editing. You can also add a message if you would like to send your friend a message. Whenever you're done with it, just gonna hit over here on the right. Right now it's gray because I didn't put any input, but just can press over there. And I'm just gonna go back for a sec. The next thing I would like to show you on the menu is share a link. Share a link is pretty the same like sharing people, but it's not gonna give them any permissions to do anything. It's just a link. The difference between the link and the sharing people, the link will give you more options to share. It will let you to choose from all kinds of apps. Another thing that you have here is the available offline. Offline is, like I showed you before, you have this filter in the main menu and you can just play around with it. As you can see, if you would like to save it offline, this is gonna save you some data. You can do open with. Open with is if you have all kinds of applications for open a specific file, let's say Word or PDF, whatever it is, so you can play around with it. You see right now it's gonna open it with that PDF app. So let's go back to the menu. You can send a copy if you would like to send a legit copy, which means that that person gonna get not a sharing link and it will get that old file. And you got also here, you got the download. Download is if you'd like to download the app, you're just gonna press on that, it will download it to your computer. The difference between download and available offline is just gonna for save your data. Download is actually will download a copy of your file that you can actually do anything you like after. You can also have move here. Move is if you would like to move the file to a different location inside Google Drive. You can do that if you would like to put it inside a folder or just move it. Hit back. And what else we have here is star. Remember I showed you before, you can also have a filter for stars. This is where you can play around with it. You also have an option here to add to home screen. If you like to have a little icon on the home screen, this is very good if you would like to access or if you really use the same file over and over. So it's gonna give you fast access to that file. Rename, if you would like to rename the title of your file. You got print here if you have Wi-Fi printer, or you can actually save it for print it out later. And of course you got the remove if you'd like to delete. That's gonna be pretty much all for today, guys. If you'd like my video, you can subscribe. I hope you enjoy. If you got any comments, you can comment or any question. Have a good one.